What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to Crypto Moon, and today's we're going to talk about awesome NFT called Tank War Zone. But before that, please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational purpose only. So without further ado, let's start. A completely decentralized earn-to-play battle game. Tank War Zone is a blockchain-based action game that is both entertaining and visually appealing. You may play single, establish a team and combat with others, while earning money merely by playing or staking your NFTs, thanks to a variety of gaming options. At Genesis launch, 10,000 tank cards will be available to be redeemed for prizes. Tanks once the game is out. All tanks and their associated equipment, such as tank drivers, weaponry, armor, special abilities, and so on, are included. NFTs are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that participants may stake and sell on the market. Marketplace. These NFTs can be traded in our game's marketplace. A 3.5% trading fee will be charged on the NFTs marketplace. The marketplace fees will be used to buy back and burn bond and gold tokens. The worth of a tank will be decided by its power, speed, armor, and other factors. To play and gain in Tank War Zone, players must purchase at least one tank. Gold may be used to purchase items by the gamers. Loot. In the game, there are several treasure boxes where players may find and unlock valuable stuff. Upgrade. Spend your hard-earned awards on formidable equipment for your tank. Battle. To gain rare riches and a plethora of prizes, you must battle other players and bosses. Tokenomics. Bond token, bond. Token of the war bond. Bond is a utility token that may be used for voting, trading tanks, NFTs, equipment, booster fluids, and staking. The total quantity of bond is capped at 1 billion. Tokened gold. The in-game money gained by playing PvE, PvP, World Boss, Guild Wars, and open battle games is the Tank Gold token. Gold may be obtained by gameplay, farming, or exchange of NFTs. Gold is used to repair tanks and purchase equipment for them, such as armor, boosters, custom camouflages, names, batches, and effects. The total availability of gold is unknown. The DAO, which will be issued in future update proposals with voting by bond token holders in activities such as buying back allocation, deciding emission, and so on, will be released. Core team. The team always plays an important role in the success of a project. Pete Ho, co-founder/business advisor/ investment head. Paul Nguyen, co-founder/developer/network. Validator operator. Lawson Tai, advisor/blockchain lead at Infinity. Blockchain Labs. Andy Hang, business development/chief. Marketing Officer. Roadmap. Phase 1, Q3 of 2021. Product and project conceptualization, prototype design, and team building. Phase 2, 04 of 2021. Website launch, esports teams, pre-launch marketing, NFT marketplace development, seed and private round strategic planning, white paper, pitch deck, game development, alpha testing for closed groups, website launch, white paper, pitch deck, game development, alpha testing for closed groups, website launch, white paper, pitch deck, game development, alpha testing for closed groups, website launch, esports teams, pre-launch marketing, NFT marketplace development. Phase 3 for Q1 of 2022. Local community events, closing seed and private rounds, game tokens and NFT marketplace, hiring top influencers to play and review publicly, game beta launch to the public, game tokens and NFT marketplace, hiring top influencers to play and review publicly, game tokens and NFT marketplace, hiring top influencers to play and review. Phase 4 in Q2 of 2022. Partnerships with top streamers and esports teams, game tokens listed on exchanges, more game battle mechanics, monthly rarity NFTs events, Defy protocols. Phase 5 for Q3 of 2022. Community building, constant updates, cross-chain NFTs in gaming development, metaverse with other compatible games development are all examples of strategic partnerships with major media and gaming companies. Investors and partners of Tank War Zone: Fantom, New Wave Capital, DFG, Hyperchain Capital, LD Capital, and many more. And here's the latest social media update of Tank War Zone. The time is here. Welcome to Tank War Zone. Play to earn official PvE launch. You can now claim $Gold, our in-game currency. And if you want to read more details in this update, just to the Twitter page of Tank War Zone and click the link provided in this tweet. As always, thanks again for sharing your love and support from Tank War Zone. So that's all for Tank War Zone. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Moon.